being able to bike with my son on a protected bike track like this is very important because it makes me worry less about what's going to happen to him and concentrate more on enjoying the ride.
Carlos is just one example of so many people in our community that are turning to these alternate forms of transit and using these safe spaces to get to the places that they need to be. As we grow as a city, if we don't address transportation, we are literally going to come to a screeching halt. We're going after a number of grants at the state and federal level. Safe Streets Build grants, our West River Walk, and we're working to make our streets safer. We became a Vision Zero city. We are doing things like crosswalks to classrooms so our kids have safe walkways. We're doing quick builds that address small projects in different neighborhoods.
Having the opportunity to be able to ride a bike to where I need to go, it provides a lot of freedoms. It releases you from having to worry about being late because you're stuck in a traffic jam. It gives you the freedom to be able to get to places and park your bike on a bike rack and go right on up. If we have a connected city with bike lanes, that you don't need a car. It's not necessary.
We have to ensure that we grow on a strong foundation of infrastructure. We have wastewater pipes that are 80 to 100 years old. So we passed the largest infrastructure bill in the city's history to replace those wastewater pipes and also address our stormwater concerns. We're very excited of the progress that we've made, but we've got a lot of work to be done.
We're excited as a citizen who lives close to downtown to see what's coming next and to be a part of the change.